Hey, what's going on, everyone? So I'm back again with another episode of DAYQ. David answers your questions, where every week I answer your real estate related questions. So this week's question is, what renovations can instantly increase the value of your home? With home prices dropping mainly because of the interest rate hikes, as a homeowner, you may be thinking what you could do to help increase your home's value. In today's video, I'll be listing 5 renovations that can instantly increase the value of your home. Number 1, make your home more energy efficient. Consider installing a smart thermostat, replacing old and leaky windows, and installing energy efficient appliances in your home. Number 2, minor kitchen updates can be key to maximize your home's value. Replacing old appliances and installing new ones, and replacing an old sink can add big value to your home. Number 3, small bathroom updates can equal big returns. Removing an old wallpaper, changing the vanity, and changing the lighting can give your bathroom a brand new look. Number 4, rip up old carpeting and install laminate and hardwood flooring. Number 5, finish up your basement. If you have an unfinished basement, adding flooring, drywall, and other touches to make it a livable space is not only good for you, the homeowner, because now you have an additional usable space. It's also something that home buyers look for. So that's it for this episode of DAYQ. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me and I'll be happy to answer them. Until next time, I hope you have a great week.